In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Google from opening up links in new windows on your computer. So let's say you have your Google web browser open and you're typing in stuff and then you try and open up a link. It'll try and open up a new window, the browser will, where it'll seem as though the browser is, but this is probably going to be a Google search issue. So I'm going to have a link in the description of the video, guys, for google.com/preferences. You're more welcome just to type it into your URL bar as well. When you scroll down on the page where it says where results open, if the open each selected result in a new browser window is checked, you want to uncheck it. You want to do this for any accounts you might be signed in for, so Gmail accounts or different web browsers. You just want to go through and do this link for all of them and just uncheck open each selected result in a new browser window. And that should hopefully be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.